Here's our showroom in Southern California. These are the 15 needle options, the standard and the wide sewing field. We have the compact 7 needles, 12 needles. We have also Chinese machines, and we buy them to compare them. If you want a comparison, please let us know. We have different brands that we get. We have a brand new SWF, which is a Korean machine, and we have comparisons on the motors, on the belts. Here's Brother machine, where you can see the size of the motor and the small belt, as you can see right next to my fingers. That's probably half the size. And here's the Happy with the motor. You can see 7-year warranty on the Happy machines. Brothers or Ricomas have 2 to 3 year warranty. 20,000 hours on this motor. So this will last you for over 7 years, as opposed to a semi-industrial or a Chinese machine that will last you for around 3 years. So if you have any questions, you can give us a call or visit happyjapanusa.com.